Hello, dear students. I welcome all the 6th standard students of St. Vincent Pallotti School, Kamti, in the world of English grammar subject. Today, we are going to learn the topic noun gender. Gender. Gender is the quality of a noun or pronoun that classifies it into masculine, feminine, common, or neuter gender. In the picture, we can see the examples of masculine, feminine, common, and neuter gender. King, boy, father, lion, monk, dog are the examples of masculine gender. Girl, mother, bride, nun, cat, queen are the example of feminine gender. Doctor, cousin, reporter are the example of common gender. Pen, computer, chair, sun, ocean are the example of neuter gender. Let's learn about masculine gender. A noun that denotes a male person or an animal is said to be of the masculine gender. In the picture, we can see the examples of masculine gender. Horse, king, monk, bullock, ram, tailor, wizard, drone are the examples of masculine gender. These are the male persons or male animals. Therefore, these examples are said to be masculine gender. Feminine gender, a noun that denotes a female person or animal, is said to be of the feminine gender. Examples of feminine gender are hen, woman, tigress are the example of feminine gender. These are the female persons or female animals. Therefore, these examples are said to be of feminine gender. Neuter gender, a noun that denotes a thing without life, that is neither male nor female, is said to be in the neuter gender. Examples of neuter gender are car, table, boat, tree, house. These are the non-living things which are neither male nor female. Therefore, these examples are said to be neuter gender. Common gender, a noun that denotes either a male or female, is said to be of common gender. It means a noun which can be used for both male or female nouns is called common gender. Examples of common gender: doctor, cousin, reporter. These are the examples of common gender which can be used for both male and female nouns. Formation of feminine noun. Feminine gender can be formed in different ways by adding ess to the masculine form. Masculine plus ess is equal to feminine. Let's see some examples where we will add ess to the masculine form to make them feminine gender. Lion, lioness, priest, priestess, author, authoress, shepherd, shepherdess, hare, heiress, host, hostess. In these examples, we have added ess to the masculine form to make them feminine gender. Sometimes the spelling of the words are changed before adding ess. Let's see some examples where the spelling of masculine forms are being changed while making them feminine gender. Hunter, huntress, emperor, empress, duke, duchess, master, mistress, waiter, waitress, governor, governess, tiger, tigress, actor, actress, poet, poetess, god, goddess. These are the examples where the spellings of the masculine forms are being changed while making them feminine gender. Feminine gender can be formed by using a completely different word. Let's see the example of it. Father, mother, horse, maid, stag, hind, brother, sister, cock, hen, nephew, niece, fox, vixen, lord, lady, monk, nun, man, woman, gentleman, lady, uncle, aunt, husband, wife, dog, bitch, bull, cow, groom, bride, sir, madam, king, queen, gander, goose, colt, filly, earl, countess, ram, ewe. In these examples, we see that feminine forms are being formed by adding completely different words. Feminine gender can be formed by adding another word to the feminine noun to make a compound word. Let's see examples of it. Wash a man, wash a woman. Stepson, stepdaughter. He goat, she goat. Landlord, landlady. Milkman, milkmaid. Manservant, maidservant. Peacock, peahen. Stepfather, stepmother. Granduncle, grandaunt. He bear, she bear. In these examples, we see that the feminine nouns are being formed by adding another words in masculine noun. There are some more words that have entirely different form for their feminine gender. Let's see example of it. Hero, heroine, widower, widow, lad, lass, master, mistress, Mr., Mrs., bridegroom, bride. In these examples, we can see that feminine gender are being formed by adding entirely different form. Examples of common gender. Now let's see examples of common gender which are used for both male and female nouns. Anchor, announcer, parent, tutor, ward, baby, child, person, worker, reporter, footballer, companion, student, cousin, sportsman, sportsperson, friend, composer, orphan, volunteer, pupil. These are the examples of common gender. Points to remember. We often refer to a pet animal and a domestic animal like a cat or a dog as he or she. Words like actress, poetess, authoress are not used these days. We use words like actor, poet, author as common gender. Neuter gender refers to a non-living things that are neither male nor female. Examples: brake, chair, desk, egg, taxi, school, umbrella, kite, hen, etc. Collective nouns such as army, flock, crew denote collection of living beings. A class is the collection of students, and students are living beings. Army is the collection of soldiers, and soldiers are living beings too. But collective nouns are classified as neuter gender. Examples: class, army, battalion, choir, orchestra. Thank you dear students for watching this video.